You asked, how to divide 23,000 by 8 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 23. 23 divided by 8 equals 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. 23 minus 16 equals 7. Bring down 0, making 70. 70 divided by 8 equals 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. 70 minus 64 equals 6. Bring down 0, making 60. 60 divided by 8 equals 7. 7 times 8 equals 56. 60 minus 56 equals 4. Bring down 0, making 40. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. 5 times 8 equals 40. 40 minus 40 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2,875.